Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your phone. So if you see sorry we couldn't complete your request, please try again in a moment. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so you can also just try to go to the settings, just check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.